Screen time management applications. We will share some useful applications in this video. Watch till end for useful links. Screen time management applications are software tools designed to help users monitor and control the amount of time they spend on digital devices, such as smartphones, tablets, and computers. These apps aim to promote healthy digital habits, reduce excessive screen time, and increase productivity. Here are some key features commonly found in screen time management applications. Usage tracking. These apps track the amount of time you spend on different apps, websites, and device activities. They provide detailed insights into your usage patterns, helping you identify which apps or activities are consuming most of your time. App blocking or limiting. Many screen time apps allow you to set limits on the usage of specific apps or categories of apps. You can define how much time you're allowed to spend on an app each day, and the app will block, access, or notify you when the limit is reached. Device time limits. You can set over all limits for device usage, which can help prevent excessive screen time once the daily or weekly limit is reached. The app can lock you out of your device or display reminders. Scheduled breaks. Some apps offer the option to schedule breaks, during which device usage is restricted. This can be helpful for maintaining a healthy balance between screen time and other activities. Content filtering. Certain apps provide content filtering features, allowing you to block or filter out specific types of content, such as explicit material or distracting websites. Parental controls. Many screen time management apps are designed for parents to manage their children's device usage. These apps often include features like monitoring usage, setting time limits, and controlling access to certain apps. Usage history and reports. These apps typically generate reports and usage history, showing trends over time. This information can be helpful for evaluating your progress in reducing screen time. Popular screen time management applications include Apple Screen Time, built into iOS devices. It provides usage tracking, app limits, and device downtime settings. Google Digital Wellbeing, available on Android devices. It offers app timers, focus mode, and usage tracking. Freedom. This app lets you block distracting websites and apps across devices. StayFocused, a browser extension for Google Chrome that limits the time you spend on specific websites. Family Link, Google's parental control app for managing children's device usage. Custodio, a comprehensive parental control app with features like content filtering, screen time limits, and location tracking. Remember that while screen time management apps can be helpful, building a healthy relationship with technology also requires self-discipline and mindfulness. It's important to find a balance that works for your lifestyle and goals. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, do subscribe Awesome Kids Candy on YouTube.